friends, I am Arman Samir. Are you all feeling bored in this lockdown? Let's make some art and craft. Let's make a pen stand. Before starting, I want to say you that I have learned this craft from my teacher Varuni ma'am. Friends, we need the materials like craft sheets and glue. Friends, take your parents' help to cut the craft sheets into square sheets and circle. Now let's begin. First, take a square sheet. Now fold it vertically. Like this. Now open. Make 2 triangles. See, like this. Now fold it from downwards. Like this. Now fold it vertically. See? Again. Now stick some gum here. Now again fold it vertically. It looks like pouch. Now let's make 3 of them. Friends, now let's make another 2 in the same manner. Friends, we can add 4 or 5 craft sheets. But today I am showing with 3 craft sheets. Friends, now let me make 3rd pouch. Friends, now the 3 pouches are ready. Now let's join it. Now let's join it to the base. Friends, see, it looks like this. If you want, you can also decorate it. Hope you like this video. If you want more videos, subscribe it. Bye. Happy learning.